Bonjour, hello everyone. I'm Sniti, your French educator from Master French with Sniti, and this is the second video of the first series of Basic French. So, in the Compter en Français series, which means counting in French, we have covered it from the number 0 to 10, and today we will be starting with the number 11 and go on till the number 20. So, let's get going. Here we have the first number, that is 11, which is ons. Ons. So do remember that I'll be pronouncing the French pronunciations 2 times so that it would be much more clear for you. Here we have 12, which is douze. Douze. Now comes 13, which is called as treize. Treize. And here we have 14, which is called as quatorze. Quatorze. Now comes 15, which is pronounced as quinze. Quinze. And here we have 16, which is called as seize. Seize. Then we have 17, which is pronounced as dix-sept. Dix-sept. And here comes 18, which is called as dix-huit. Dix-huit. Then we have 19, which is dix-neuf. Dix-neuf. And at last we have 20, which is called as vingt. Vingt. So let us recall what all we have learned in French. Here we have onze, douze, treize, quatorze, quinze, seize, dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-neuf and vingt. So that was all for today's video. I hope that you liked it. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and with that we'll cover from the number 21 till the number 30 in our upcoming videos. And thanks for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day.